Bennie Master's lecture, The Law of Cause and Effect in Abstaining from Adultery. Dear fellow practitioners, may your blessings and wisdom increase. Today, we gather through the Dharma to expound the profound meaning of abstaining from adultery as taught in the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds. From the distinction between right and wrong in a single thought, we will explore how actions shape body and mind, leading to the fulfillment of body. Please join me in entering this gateway of the true Dharma and reflect deeply. 1. Right and wrong distinguished, cause and effect clear. The Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds states, if one abstains from adultery, one attains 4 dharmas praised by the wise. What is adultery? Deviating from the right path is an unrighteous act, stemming from wrong views and conditioned habits. Like an addiction to poison, it is hard to abandon, gradually leading to loss of wealth and harm to life. For example, eating to sustain the body's needs is righteous, but eating for taste is unrighteous. Mating to produce offspring is righteous, but for lust it is unrighteous. Sacrificing oneself to benefit sentient beings is righteous, but sacrificing sentient beings for oneself is unrighteous. Why does fueling and recharging bring energy to function, while unrighteous chaos is hard to control, and a healthy body and mind remain free of ailments? Because abstaining from adultery cuts off defilement, yielding the fruit of purity. This is the law of cause and effect. 2. Abstaining from adultery, attaining the 4 dharmas praised by the wise. The sutra says that abstaining from adultery brings 4 dharmas praised by the wise. Let us examine their causes and effects. First, harmonized faculties. Sentient beings often misunderstand, thinking that even in unrighteous conduct, they can freely control their faculties, seeing what they wish, hearing what they desire, eating what they crave. Let us test this. Try looking only at one image, listening only to one sound, eating only one type of food, and see if your faculties can be directed and steadfastly obey. The conclusion is that they control you, and you obey them. By abstaining from adultery, you tame your faculties, resulting in harmonized faculties. This is the foundation of practice. Second, forever free from agitation. By abstaining from adultery, with faculties harmonized and not swayed by unrighteous desires, the result is that body and mind no longer clamor, granting the ability to focus on studies, career, and family. Third, praised by the world. Through the cause of complete focus, the result is being praised by the world, admired by all, commended by everyone. Fourth, unassailable by a spouse. By abstaining from adultery, the mind remains undefiled, resulting in being like a lotus born in water yet untouched by it, untainted by attachments. These 4 dharmas all arise from abstaining from adultery. The cause is righteous, the fruit is pure, resonating in harmony. 3. Dedicating to Bodhi, ultimate fulfillment. If these merits are dedicated to Anuttara Samyak Sambodhi, then upon attaining Buddhahood in the future, one will manifest the concealed heroic form of a Buddha. This is the cause of cutting off adultery, yielding the fruit of Buddha wisdom. Conclusion: right mindfulness cuts off unrighteousness. Purity generates wisdom. Dear virtuous believers, when adultery arises, body and mind fall into disorder. When right mindfulness is upheld, blessings and wisdom arise. May we rely on the true law of cause and effect, sever defilements to return to purity, diligently practice, and together achieve the Buddha's path. Amitabha. Thank you all for practicing together.